Kit. A circular wooden vessel, made of hoop staves. A kind of basket made especially from straw of rushes, especially for holding fish, by extension, the contents of such a basket or similar container, used as a measure of weight. A collection of items forming the equipment of a soldier, carried in a knapsack. Any collection of items needed for a specific purpose, especially for use by a workman, or personal effects packed for traveling. A collection of parts sold for the buyer to assemble. Video games, the set of skills and abilities chosen for a playable character. Britain, sports, the standard set of clothing, accessories, and equipment worn by players. Britain, informal, clothing. Computing, informal, a full software distribution, as opposed to a patch or upgrade. Music, a drum kit. Transitive, to assemble or collect something into kits or sets or to give somebody a kit. See also kit out and other derived phrases. A kitten, young cat. A kit fox. A young skunk. A young ferret. Synonym of kit violin. A school of pigeons, especially domesticated, trained pigeons. K. I. T. Kit.